now that we know a little something about interior angles of triangles, we're going to use this information to find the missing angle in a triangle in lesson 92. In this lesson, these are things to look out for: how we understand the sum of the interior angles of triangles, how we create a visual based on the word problem if none is provided, and we use that to create an expression for the problem, setting the equation equal to 180 degrees. And finally, use those EE skills to solve for that unknown angle. Two angles in a triangle add up to 65. What is the measure of the third angle? Kind of like this one. All right, so we have A and B together make 65. And we know that A plus B plus C make 180. So I'm just going to put in 65 plus whatever that third angle is, C, is equal to 180. We know that those two are the sum of A and B together. All right, this is a one-step equation. C is equal to 115 degrees. We can test it. We can do a check. The two angles make up 65, so all I'd be adding is 65 plus 115. And I still get 180. Hit pause and jot this down into your notes. Let me write down this full sentence before we do the next problem. The third angle is 115 degrees. There we go. I wanted to make sure I had that. Triangle LMN is a right triangle. I can see it right here, so that means that angle is 90 degrees. Angles L and N are equal. What is the measure of angle L? So that means I can use the same variable for both of these. Let's write our equation. 90 plus x is 180. Let's combine like terms and solve for x. All right, x is equal to 45 degrees. So that means L is 45 and N is 45. And we can see it right over here in our answers. So because this is interesting, let's actually figure out what the errors could be. So for the 90, it could be that they didn't divide by 2, where because x is the same for both, what if they thought the second angle was 90? But it also doesn't make sense. We can't have two right angles in a triangle. It wouldn't work. See? It doesn't work. Doesn't make a triangle. So how could they have gotten 70? What could have happened to get 70? Or to get 25? 90 plus 70 and 70, that would not have made sense. That would have been too big. And the same thing, 90 plus 25 plus 25, that would have been too small. So neither of those make sense. But hit pause and jot this one down into your notes. Biggest takeaway is I could use the information from the problem to write an equation and solve for the unknown.